Welcome to the Breaking Free series, where we shatter the chains that have held too many people back for far too long. In this series, we break free from the useless money and real estate phrases that limit our potential, the doubts that whisper, "You're too old, too late, or too broke," and the hidden scripts that silently sabotage your financial freedom. This isn't just about real estate. It's about reclaiming your hope, your will, and your power. It's about rewriting the story and proving that after 50, your future can be bigger than your past. Because it's never too late to build the wealth and legacy you deserve. In this three-part Breaking Free series, we will share lessons on breaking free from doubt, breaking free from procrastination, and breaking free from useless money and real estate phrases. So let's break free together. The silent weight of doubt. If you're over 50 and have always dreamed of becoming a real estate investor, you've probably wrestled with doubt more times than you'd like to admit. It doesn't announce itself loudly. It creeps in during quiet moments. Doubt shows up when you see a for sale sign and think, that could have been my property. It whispers when you read about someone younger, with less life experience, buying their first duplex. It nags at night when you wonder if it's too late, too risky, or too unrealistic. But here's the truth. Doubt is not evidence. It's resistance, and it can be defeated. The real impact of doubt after 50. Let's go beyond the surface and break down how doubt actually affects your dream. 1. Emotional impact. Doubt triggers fear and procrastination, leading to sleepless nights and the lingering feeling of what if. It can drain your motivation, convincing you that effort is pointless before you've even tried. 2. Financial impact. Doubt delays action. And in real estate, timing is everything. Every year you hesitate is a year without rental income, appreciation, and tax advantages. Compounding works against you. Waiting 5 years at 50 could mean hundreds of thousands lost by 65. 3. Relational impact. Doubt often seeps into family conversations. Maybe we should just play it safe. Loved ones may echo your doubts because they mirror your fears, reinforcing hesitation instead of encouragement. 4. Legacy impact. The dream of leaving behind wealth, assets, or a financial cushion for your children and grandchildren slips further away each time doubt wins. Why age is actually your advantage. Doubt says you're too old. Truth says you're perfectly positioned. Here's why. Life experience. At 50 plus, you've survived economic downturns, career changes, family crises. You know how to navigate challenges. That resilience is priceless in real estate. Network power. You've built decades of connections, friends, co-workers, community members, who could become partners, lenders, or tenants. Financial leverage. Even if you don't feel rich, you may have stronger credit, retirement funds, or home equity that can be tapped into creative strategies. Mindset clarity. You now know what truly matters. Freedom, time, and legacy. Not flashy risks. Many successful investors didn't start until their 50s, 60s, or later. The only thing they did differently? They refused to let doubt dictate the rest of their story. Step-by-step guide to fighting doubt. Here's a practical roadmap you can use immediately. Step 1. Identify your doubts. Name the enemy. Action. Take a sheet of paper and write every doubt that surfaces. Examples. I don't have enough capital. What if tenants trash my property? I don't understand financing. Seeing these on paper makes them less overwhelming and easier to address. Step 2. Challenge doubt with evidence. Doubt thrives on imagination. Kill it with facts. Research your local rental market. What are the average rents and vacancies? Calculate what even a small duplex could generate in cash flow. Read about investors like Barbara Corcoran, started with $1,000, or Sam Zell, who began small and grew into a billionaire. Action. Replace each written doubt with one fact-based solution. Example. I don't have money. I can partner with someone who does or use a HELOC. Step 3. Start small, win small. The cure for doubt isn't waiting, it's winning. Entry points for beginners over 50. Bird dogging, spot deals and pass them to active investors for a finder's fee. wholesaling, contract properties and assign them to other buyers for quick profit. House hacking, buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other. Joint venture, partner with a younger, active investor and bring your wisdom, credit, or equity to the table. Action, commit to one small strategy within the next 90 days. Step 4, build your circle of believers. Isolation feeds doubt. Community crushes it. Options for community. Join a local real estate investor association, REIA. Connect with like-minded investors online, Facebook groups, Bigger Pockets, or Real50Plus. Find a mentor who started later in life and can guide your steps. Action. Attend one investor meeting this month. Step 5. Anchor to your why. When doubt strikes, your why must be louder. Do you want to retire without fear? Do you want to build a cushion for your children? Do you want to prove to yourself that you can do what you've always dreamed of? Action. Write your why on an index card. Keep it in your wallet. Read it whenever doubt rises. Step 6. Act imperfectly but consistently. You don't need the perfect deal or plan. You need momentum. Daily, weekly habits to fight. Doubt daily. Analyze one deal using a property calculator. Weekly. Call one realtor, lender, or investor. Monthly. Visit one open house or property tour. Each action chips away at doubt, proving that progress is possible. A reframed perspective. Doubt as a compass. What if doubt wasn't a stop sign but a compass? Often, the areas where you feel the strongest doubt are the exact areas you're meant to grow in. Doubt about financing? Learn creative strategies. Doubt about tenants? Study property management. Doubt about age? Use your experience as leverage. Instead of letting doubt paralyze you, let it point you toward your next lesson. Closing empowerment. You've spent decades showing up for others, your family, your job, your community. Now it's time to show up for yourself and your legacy. At 50 plus, you're not too late. You're right on time. Doubt will always whisper, but your actions can speak louder. Start small, build momentum, and remember, every property you invest in is not just brick and mortar. It's a symbol that you refuse to let doubt steal your dream. Your second act can be your greatest act. You've seen how doubt steals time, dreams, and confidence, especially after 50. But now that you know how to silence that voice, there's one more enemy left: procrastination. Because even with confidence, if you wait too long to act, your dreams stay on pause. It's time to move from belief to boldness. Next up, watch Breaking Free from Procrastination, the 50 Plus Dreamer's Guide to Real Estate Investing right here.